I just got done spraying some bubbles around it and some strong penetrator to get around there. It helps detect leaks. Yeah, this here just looks like a broken off piece of a nail. Unfortunately, I won't be able to repair this since it's too close to the edge of the tread. When wanting to make tire repairs, you want it to be within here. Some people will do it to out here, which, I mean, I have done it a few times and out to here. But if it's like right here or right exactly where this is, you just shouldn't touch it. The liability of the tire plug will be compromised when the full weight of the vehicle is on it. And that plug will just shoot right back out and make the problem worse and potentially blow a tire while driving on the road and shred. So today's customer will have to get a new tire, unfortunately, because this is a F-150 XLT. And I know these tires are running anywhere from 100 to 200 per tire, depending upon where you buy it from. Just wanted to take a quick video. Appreciate you watching.